In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an amazing WordPress accordion using the core Gutenberg details block. If you're looking to add dynamic and interactive elements to your WordPress website, accordions are a fantastic way to present information in a compact and user-friendly manner. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, open your web browser and head over to wordpress.com. This is your go-to hub for everything you need to build and manage your WordPress site. Once you're on the home page, go ahead and click on the Login button. Enter your credentials to access your WordPress account. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to consider creating one to follow along with these steps. With access to your account, it's time to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. This is the central area where you manage all the components of your site, from posts and pages to themes and settings. Once you're in, you need to decide whether you want to add your accordion to a post or a page. Click on either Posts or Pages from the dashboard menu, depending on where you'd like your accordion to appear. Next, you'll want to create a new post or page for your accordion. Upon doing this, look for the small plus button, usually located at the top of the editing screen. This button is your gateway to adding new blocks to your content. Click on it to reveal the block search feature. Here, simply type in accordion into the search bar. This search will provide you with various options related to accordions that you can use. What you're looking for specifically is the option titled Accordion Group. Go ahead and select it. Choosing Accordion Group will allow you to insert a detailed block, effectively setting up the structure for your accordion. Now that you have the accordion block added to your page or post, you can start customizing it to fit your content needs. Each accordion item can be expanded or collapsed, so think about how you want to organize the information you're presenting. You can add titles and corresponding content for each accordion item. As you fill in your details, remember to keep your content concise and relevant. Accordions work best when they enhance the user's experience rather than overwhelm them with too much information. Once you're satisfied with how your accordion looks and functions, save your changes and publish your post or page. Congratulations! You've successfully created an accordion using the core Gutenberg details block in WordPress. This dynamic feature not only improves the aesthetic and functionality of your site, but also engages your visitors by providing information in an interactive format. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on mastering WordPress.